Hi and welcome to today's video. Today is a very interesting unboxing that I'm going to be doing because these are erasable plastic crayons. So it is sold as erasable plastic crayons, which means I am expecting it to be super erasable, super friendly to use. So it says there's no soiling of hands. It's a triangular grip crayons and there are about 14 colors and this is by Faber-Castell. It retails for I think around 65. I picked it up for 62 near a store nearby from my house. So let's try out how these are. I'm quite excited. I don't know if an eraser comes along with this or I think it is just the crayons. So it comes with a nice plastic box. Let's open and see how these are. So these are triangular. You can see over here. Here. So it's a tin with a plastic lid. I like that. And here are my 14 crayons. They include a gold and a silver, which is a very interesting touch. There's no white, but I think that's understandable. And they're pretty long, if you see the length of it. So what we'll do is we are first going to create some swatches and then immediately try out if we can erase this or not. So let's create some swatches and try how they hold. It's very light, so I'm putting like a lot of pressure, but still you can see like it's quite light. Okay, because it's the green. The red is a little bright, but in general I think these are slightly lighter than most of the other crayons. It does not say wax crayon, so I guess it's okay that they are this way. And they have absolutely no packaging or details on each crayon, so it's very interesting. It is just the bare crayon as it is. Easy to pick up. Just look at the colors and take which one you want. Moving on to the other colors now. The next one is the pink. It's the peach. It's very light, the peach, but I think it will be helpful when you're like mixing your colors together. The dark blue. The light blue. Purple, the yellow, orange, and I'm very excited for these colors. The gold, I can see a little bit of shimmer. I think it's very strong. You can see the good shimmer on the screen, and the silver, which is I think the darkest, and brilliant shimmer in that also. So I'm going to now pick out an eraser and let's try and erase this and see if it actually works. So I'm going to try with every color. Oh my god, yes, these erase amazingly well. So the darker side I think takes a little bit more time, but you can erase them completely. So you can create beautiful patterns if you want. Like if I could have okay, the silver just it does smudge a little bit, but otherwise I think it's nice. So for example, if I'm going to be drawing a zebra and I want the lines on it, I could just do this. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a zebra and I'm going to try and see if I add black to the entire thing and I can just erase it off to make a very beautiful color painting. So you can draw the zebra along with me. It's okay if you don't have the same colors and you're going to be using very different colors. I'm just going to draw a cartoon version. Let's add some hair. Okay, so I'm going to use black predominantly. And I'm going to add black to the entire body now. Let's use the eraser to create the stripes. This is a reverse one. The stripes on your zebra are normally going to be in black, but in this case I'm just creating an interesting reverse one to see how this looks. So you can create really beautiful patterns. So I have a thick eraser, which is why it's coming out this way, but it looks amazing. I love how it is so cute, and it is literally like how it says, these are erasable crayons. So if you're somebody who likes doing a lot of interesting DIY and a lot of ideas are coming into your head when you're seeing this tutorial, then these colors are for you. I like how they are packaged as well. It's really easy to store them. So I hope you had fun in this tutorial and it was helpful for you. If you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I put up a new video. See you.